This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop the auto-capitalization of words in Google Docs. In Google Docs, when you type a sentence, it will automatically capitalize the first word. For example, if I type the word hello with a lowercase h and then click the space bar, it's going to automatically correct it to a capital H because it's the beginning of a sentence. But what if I don't want that to happen? What you do is you go to Tools, then click Preferences. Then at the top of the General tab, you want to deselect automatically capitalized words. Select OK. And now when I type the word hello and a space, the word is not automatically capitalized. Of course, if you want to turn that feature back on, you just do the reverse by going to Tools, clicking on Preferences, and then select automatically capitalized words. So this video shows you how to turn off the auto-capitalization of words in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.